Hello friends, how are you all? Hope you all are doing great today. Welcome to my channel Enchanted Spiritual Tarot. I want to say thank you to all my new and returning subscribers. I really appreciate you all for joining me in this channel today. So today we will see what you can expect next in your love life. Okay, we will try to see your person current thoughts and feelings for you in this connection. So first we will see all the zodiac signs. I can see a strong water sign floating today in our reading: Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Or you and your person can be an earth sign: Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. Or for some, you and your person can be an air sign: Libra, Gemini, Aquarius. So just take what resonates, friends. Don't worry much about signs. Okay, this is a general collective reading, so only take those messages which resonates with you all and leave behind the rest. So let's quickly jump into our reading today. So as you can see, we got so many cards of cups today. In the first row, all the cards are of cups. Okay, so cups represents emotions. So I can see that your person is in highly emotional state. Okay, their emotions are getting stirred up in this connection with you. With this 8 of cups, I can see that someone has walked away from this connection in the past. And with this Knight of Pentacles, I can see there can be a long time disconnect between you and your person. Okay, because I can sense these energies are from past. Okay, so maybe you and your person are expecting some sort of apology from each other in this connection, but I can see that your person is coming towards you with some sort of apology. Okay, they want to offer you something tangible. Knight of Pentacles is a very slow moving knight from all the knights in tarot cards. Okay, but this knight is a very sure footed person. So they takes a long time for planning, contemplating the whole situation, but this knight has a pure intentions, and this knight um, has the intentions to take to resurrect the situation. Okay, and offer something real and authentic in physical. So I can see that your person can text you, okay, or can call you to apologize. Okay, so we get apology card also underneath our Knight of Pentacles. Okay, I'm using these colored cards, friends, to these are energy cards to get deeper insights on the energies of your person, and the changes that are coming in your love connection. Okay, so underneath 8 of cups we got door to spirit. So your person or you may have walked away from this relationship in the past. Okay, and get into hermit mode. So you both parted your ways, but gone through some kind of spiritual awakening. Okay, you have gone through your healing in your own journey by parting ways from this relationship, but now I can see that your person is coming towards you and want to propose you with this Two of Cups. I can also sense that you and your person is manifesting this connection, this reunion with each other, okay? And Two of Cups is also a card of soulmate, okay? So this person can be your soulmate, okay? And they want to offer you this cup of love, because see, we got 3 cards of person holding a cup, okay? So they have this lots of love and affection for you, okay? And now their emotions are getting stirred up in this connection, so they cannot hold these emotions up to themselves, okay? So they are coming forward towards you to offer this cup of love, okay? And they want to bring peace in the relationship. They want to text you, call you, or contact you through social media, so you can hear from your person out of the blue, okay? They may surprise you with some gifts and some bouquets or flowers, okay? So I can see that now your person wants to rush towards you with some sort of swift communication, okay? And they see you as this Queen of Pentacles. Queen of Pentacles is a very financially independent person who takes care of people around her, okay? So they see you as someone who is very independent in their lives, who earns well, okay? Who also take care of their family, who are doing very well in their life. So now they want to come to you and propose you, and resurrect the situation with you in this relationship, and want to take this relationship to the next level of commitment with this Hierophant card. So this represents financial institutions, educational institutions, or it is related to law or marriage institutions. So they want to offer some solid commitment to you, okay? And want to build a strong foundation with you. Maybe they want to work with you also, okay? So just take what resonates, friends. So they want to walk away from all the past hurts and resentments. They want to forget all all the resentments in this relationship, and want to move forward now, okay? And want to bring peace in the situation. They want to take they want to take this relationship forward with you, okay? So they want to take this leap of faith and want success and happy family with you, want to expand family with you. Maybe you are married, okay, but you are separated from your person, maybe emotionally or physically. Just take what resonates. So now they want to expand family with you, okay? They want caring connections with you. So let's see messages from your person one by one. I am in my head trying to make sense of this connection. I care too much about what others say right now. You make me so happy. I want to be more than friends. Sometimes I stay awake thinking about you. I can't give up on my responsibilities right now. I'm trying really hard to forget you, but I can't. So these are the messages from your person, but these are the energies from the past. Okay, when we see tarot cards, so I can sense that these are the energies from the past. Okay, we met to hurt each other into awakening, but this separation is killing me. I want to feel your romantic love too. So we got door to spirit also. Maybe you are separated because there is some, higher purpose of this separation. You and your partner have to part ways from this relationship in order to heal your selves, heal your childhood wounds. Okay, and go through spiritual awakening in this process. Okay, maybe you and your person are twin flames, because we got this Two of Cups also, which is a soulmate card. Okay, you are so beautiful and amazing that you make my knees weak. So they can come up, to offer you some sort of proposal. Maybe they want to marry you, so they can come towards you to propose you. Okay, I would give anything to hold you. I'm going to do something surprising. See, so these are the energies of present, I can sense. Okay, so let's see the messages from romance angels and hidden truth messages from your person. It was my fault, but I blamed you. Engagement, your love life is ascending to a higher level of commitment. So this can be a literal engagement for most of my viewers. Passion, okay, so they feel they have this deep seated passion for you in this connection. So let's see your love song, okay, from your person. All of the Stars by Ed Sheeran. I can see the stars from America. Second song is Wish You Were Here by Avril Lavigne. You are always there, you are everywhere. So they think about you a lot. Okay, so that is why they took lot of time to come towards you. I can sense there is a long time disconnect between both of you. Okay, with this Knight of Pentacles, because this is the energy from the past. Okay, and this is a very slow moving energy. Okay, but this Knight is slowest, but this is a sure-footed person, and has the intentions to reach the destination. So I can sense that your person has also pure intentions to resurrect the situation with you. Okay, whatever the situation was. Okay, so they want to resurrect this relationship with you now, and want to take this relationship to a higher level of commitment from the current state. Okay, so that's all I have for you all today, friends. Let me know in the comment section below if this reading has assisted you in some way or resonated with you. Okay, friends, I love to have you all subscribe to my channel and like this video if this reading, if you like the reading. Okay, and also please don't forget to hit that notification bell button in order to keep yourself posted on my upcoming videos. Okay, friends, so I see you in my next video. Bye bye, take care.